Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So yes, today we're doing another set of press-ons and I'm going to be creating this bright abstract nail art design using MadamGlam Gel Polishes once again. And I am going to be starting off with this really nice red, and this is called Positive Tomato. It is a sort of a coral red, and let me tell you, this covers in one coat, but I, being me, did go in with two nice thin even coats, and I cured in between each coat for 30 seconds. And I'm going to be showing you guys this only on 3 of my press-ons. I did do 3 flat colored nails on each hand before jumping into the nail art design. And this Positive Tomato is actually one of the new releases by MadamGlam. They did launch a June collection called Daddy's Girl, and if you guys are interested in seeing all these colors swatched and in their glory, because trust me, there are some gorgeous summer colors in there, definitely click the link in my description box below after this video. Make sure you watch this one and head over to Instagram and check those beauties out. And another color from this collection is this turquoise, and it is called Hero Turquoise. And I am going to be using this along with MadamGlam's Perfect White, which is not included in the collection, but trust me, it is a must-have to your gel polish collection. It is thebomb.com. So I am going to allow you guys to watch me do the abstract. I'm going to add my color first, and then I'm going to go in with the outlining and the detailing. Usually I tell you guys that the design does not need to be dead center because you are going to go in and add your detailing, but because this one is coming down the center of the nail and then spreading out, the other one is going straight down the middle of the nail, you need to make sure that your color is as even to that center as possible. Even though you can sort of create the illusion that it is even when you go in with your black, but it can't be too far off. You need to keep it just, even if it's a little way off that center line on that nail, that's fine, but you got to make sure that you try your best to make it even. So this is why I left in me going in and taking off polish where I need to take it off, add it back where I need to add it back, just to make sure that I get my center point down correctly. now we have one of our tribal nails completed. I'm applying my Ugly Ducklings matte gel top coat, and I'm going to go ahead and cure that. So for the other nail, it is going to be sort of a glitter foil transparent sort of nail. So I did apply my base coat, and before curing it, I'm going to be pressing some of these iridescent glitters into it. Now these glitters are by the Makartt company, and I'm just going to go ahead and cure that. And after curing, I did go in with another layer of my base coat, cured again, and now I'm pressing some nail art foil into that wet base coat. Now this is not as sticky as foil glue or foil gel, but it did the trick as to what I wanted to accomplish. I didn't want to cover up all the glitter. I just wanted some of that foil to shine through. And now I'm going to seal that in with my Ugly Ducklings matte gel top coat. Now that that matte has dried, I'm just going to continue with my nail art design over the top of it. Now if you guys are interested in any of the gel polishes mentioned in this video, or even when you go across the Instagram and you see all 10 gorgeous colors, definitely click on the link in my description box below. It will take you to the Madam Glam's website. Type in the names of each color or whatever colors you're interested in having added to your cart, and then before checking out, enter my 30% off coupon code to save yourself an extra amount of cash. Now this code only works if you follow that link in my description box below, so make sure you have your notepad ready, your pen and paper ready for when you see such stunning colors to take notes of them, because trust me, they are gorgeous. Now I'm going in with my gem gel, and I'm going to be applying this to the center of that nail, and I'm going to be laying down some opal Swarovski crystals along with some gold metal studs and some micro beads. So this accent nail is going to be one just like the one that we did before, so I went ahead and did my base off camera, and I'm just going in with my nail art design, and I'm just switching it up on this nail, but it's going to be the same color scheme, same concepts, and then I'm going to add my Swarovski crystals down the center of my design. And our final nail on this hand is going to be another white abstract nail art design. The only difference is on this one I didn't cover the entire nail with those lines. I kept it strictly in the center of this nail. And I did add a opal Swarovski crystal and a little bit of those same gold alloys on this nail. Now you're going to see me going in with my cleanup brush 1,000,001 times just to make sure that I have everything nice and even and it's positioned to the center of this nail, because if it's not, because this design is running up the middle, you are going to see if it is off in any way. So I needed to make sure that, you know, everything is proportioned correctly. Watch the rest of this video. I'm going to leave you right here. I did include a clip of the final result. I just went in and stuck these on my nails because I do have a wedding to attend on Friday. But yeah, that was it for this design. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, you know what to do. In case you don't, please go ahead and give that video a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, click on that subscribe button down below, and while you're there, turn your post notifications on. I will really appreciate it. And if you recreate this design, definitely go ahead and at me on Instagram. It's at BeGlamorous Nails and it is on your screen. And if you think that these nails are bright and ready for summer, go ahead and add some of those sunglasses smiling emojis with those comments in the comment section below, because these nails are so bright that we need some sunglasses to look at them. So that is it for me. As always, I would love for you to stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon.